Assalamualaikum and welcome to Tiddly's Busy Kitchen with me, Tiddly Nihan. I've already shown you how to make a low-fat dal with tomatoes, and today I'm going to show you how to make a low-fat dal with spinach. Watch, learn and enjoy. For dal with spinach, I've got 1 cup or 200 grams of red lentils, half a teaspoon of turmeric with a big pinch of fenugreek seeds, 150 grams of spinach that I've chopped quite coarsely, a teaspoon of asafoetida, 2 tablespoons of tamarind paste, 6 dried red chillies, a big pinch of curry leaves, 1 teaspoon each of mustard seed and fenugreek seed, half a cup of chopped coriander, and a large green chilli that I've cut into segments. Bring the lentils to the boil in 3 cups of water, or 750 ml of water. Then add in the fenugreek seeds and the turmeric. Stir it round and simmer gently for about half an hour until the lentils become really creamy. I've heated a tablespoon of oil in this pan and I'm going to add in the mustard and fenugreek seeds and just cook them for about a minute. Once the fenugreek seeds start to go brown, add in the dried chillies and stir for another minute. You can see the mustard seeds are having a really fun time. So it's time to spoil their fun and add in all the spinach. Stir around, cover and cook on a low heat for about 5 minutes until the spinach is cooked. After 5 minutes, the spinach should be nicely cooked, so we'll add in the tamarind pulp, the asafoetida, and stir this for 2 minutes. After half an hour, your dal should be deliciously creamy. Don't bother to drain it, we're just going to use it as it is. After 2 minutes, add in the dal, the chillies, the curry leaves, the coriander, then season with salt, mix well together and let it simmer for about 5 minutes. It's dark, it's mysterious, it has an almost smoky taste to it thanks to the tamarind, but it's very delicious. So now you've got 2 low-fat dal recipes to choose from. You've got no excuse anymore. And by the time I make my next video, I'm expecting you to look like a pencil. Join me next time in Tiddly's Busy Kitchen with me, Tiddly Nihan. Until next time, Khuda Hafiz.